From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, just a lovely day across Acadiana. As expected, some high-level clouds from a leftover hurricane in the Pacific, producing some interesting cloud cover today. Actually, a high cloud mix and then a kind of a mid-layer mixed in between. So we've seen the sun going in and out. Overall, very pretty day. Yeah, this is the type of pattern. Sometimes you can see some sun dogs, maybe a ring around the sun, or maybe even the moon later on tonight. So look out for that. Should look pretty cool out there. See this cloud deck moving on out, and we're going to get back to mostly sunny skies for tomorrow and warmer temperatures down the line. So relatively quiet weather pattern. A couple of systems we're watching in the Pacific, more pointedly in the Atlantic basin. You can see two blow-ups, one here south and east of the Windward Islands, and then another system that got upgraded today to tropical depression number 12. No concern with 12 as it's going to be moving out into the Atlantic and dying somewhere over here, not threatening land. May get the name Julia if it does become a tropical storm, which it is forecast to do, but it's going to be a brief system. The other system we were watching yesterday had a 20-30% chance of development. Now it's up to a 70% chance. It's not overly organized, but we do think it's going to be moving to the west and threatening the western, perhaps the northwestern Caribbean down the line. In fact, already running some spaghetti plots on this one's called Invest 91L, and we do think most the models are going to bring this over towards Central America, maybe flip over into the Pacific, but too early to tell on whether it's going to be a Gulf of Mexico threat. In fact, we'll show you 10 days of the Euro model here, and we'll stop it at the same time between the Euro and the GFS. This is this weekend threatening Central America, and then it looks like something crosses over and gets into the Pacific. But look at this moisture right here, kind of squirts up northward, so we might see some tropical moisture from this system. We'll have to wait and see. Meanwhile, the GFS, as it has been much of the year, kind of overdevelops the system and really brings it to a bona fide system threatening Central America and then maybe Mexico, and then somewhere over here may get shot off to the east northeast. But notice for us, blue conditions. In fact, we got two fronts in the 10-day forecast, so as long as we keep the fronts are going, we're in good shape. Temperatures tonight not quite as cool. We'll favor low to mid 60s. Then for tomorrow, mostly sunny skies, some clouds mixing in during the course of the afternoon. Any shower activity should be confined offshore and isolated in nature. And then much the same Thursday, we'll start out in the low to mid 60s and warm back up into the mid to upper 80s. And then by Friday, we may be pushing 90 degrees. Overnight tonight, though, still mid to upper 50s, northern portions of Acadiana, so not bad at all. We'll favor closer to the lower 60s, Lafayette being one of the warmer spots, and down across the coastal parishes, mostly low to mid 60s expected once again by daybreak. Then after that, relatively mild start. We should get into the mid 80s tomorrow. Few degrees warmer than today. Tomorrow night, as we indicated, lower 60s, but could see upper 50s, northern portions of Acadiana. And then Thursday afternoon, creeping closer to the upper 80s. And we think we should see 90 degrees before the week is done. So overnight tonight, a pleasant evening overall. Generally fair skies. Some of those high clouds, though, moving across the area through the overnight hours, but they should thin as we get closer to daybreak. And then tomorrow will be mostly sunny for a good part of the day, maybe a sun and cloud mix during the course of the afternoon hours. 86 the projected high, and again you can see some of those clouds populating as we head into the afternoon hours. There they go, and this is a pretty realistic scenario of what we expect for tomorrow afternoon. Moving on into the 10-day forecast, getting warmer and warmer. Not done with 90-degree temperatures yet, but here we go. A cool front on Saturday, feeling better Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday with highs in the mid 80s and overnight lows getting back down into the 50s. And then toward the end of next week, maybe some shower activity. We're going to add some rain chances here on Wednesday at 20 to 30%. Another front maybe toward the end of next week, but overall, good looking weather pattern ahead, and we'll talk more about that and have another update coming up a little bit later on. More news coming your way, so stay tuned. We'll see you after the break.